So what we will do, we will convert this tan square in terms of sec square using which one? Which identity? 1, 2, or 3?
1.
1. So tan square x should be equal to sec square
Sec
x
squared minus.
minus 1, like
Mhm.
this. So that we can integrate, we know that integrals are linear, we can take separate integrations. Sec
Mhm.
square x, antiderivative of sec square x is tan x, and 1 is x plus c. That's it.
Mhm. Okay.
Let's look at this one. This one is uh, probably not clearly visible. Now we need to prove that the antiderivative, the definite integral is equal to this right side value.
Mhm.
So we will take the left hand side. We have to prove. So we will write proof here. Left hand side is definite integral of sine square from pi by 12 to pi by 8 sine square x.
Mhm.
How to integrate sine square x?
Um, uh, I'm not sure if you can do it straight away.
We cannot do straight away because we know the antiderivative of sine x only. What is antiderivative
Mhm.
of sine x?
Sin x, cos x, no, minus cos x, minus cos x.
Minus cos x. But we don't know what is antiderivative of sine square. So you
Mm-hmm.
need to keep in mind whenever there is sine uh, square x or cos square x, you need to, in both these cases, or there are many other cases as well, sine power 4x or cos
Mm-hmm.
power 4x. These all are similar. Integration of sine 4, integration of cos 4. In all four cases, you have to reduce the reduce the degree, sorry. This is this is done by degree reduction. So you reduce the degree. You cannot integrate these functions, sine square, cos square, sine power 4, cos power 4, even power of sine and cosine. You cannot integrate without degree reduction. And how you reduce the degree of these functions? There are formulas, there are identities. These two
Mm-hmm.
identities are basically used. Uh, Cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. These are the two degree reduction formulas.
Uh-huh.
Have you seen these formulas before in trigonometry?
Um, Possibly when it came to double angle and so on.
Ah, yes. These are actually same double angle, or you can also call them half angle formulas, because on left side there is theta and right side
Yeah,
we have 2 theta, double of the angle. So you can
yeah,
call them half angle as well as double angle formulas. These are
mhm,
same, right?
yeah,
So what we will do here, we will just put, is it clear?
yeah. That makes sense.
In order to memorize these formulas, these degree reduction formulas, you will just memorize that there is plus sign in cosine square formula and minus sign in between sine square formula. This is the only difference,
Yeah.
right? So
Hmm.
we have sine square x here. We have to reduce the degree. So we will put 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. I hope that I have written the correct formula. So this happens because there are a lot of formulas. I don't,
Yeah.
I just see questions from your exercise and examples, and I just take them to this. whiteboard. I don't practice. So let's see. Now, degree has been reduced and we can easily integrate the two terms separately. So integration, you can take 1 over 2 outside. This
Mm-hmm.
2 can be taken outside. And
Yeah.
integration of 1, take it separately, and integration of cos 2x. Limits are same in both the integrals,
Mm-hmm.
pi by 12 to pi by 8. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
let's move ahead. Equals to 1 over 2. Integration of 1 is x, and you put the limits pi by 12 to pi by 8. And integration of cos 2x is sine 2x,
Sine. Yeah.
sine 2x
Oh, divided by two.
divided by 2, because 2 needs to be here, but it is not here, so you will divide by
Mm-hmm.
that 2. This is by reverse chain rule. Okay, that's it. Now apply these limits. Apply the upper limit. Here you will get pi by 8 minus pi by 12. This and minus 1 over 2. Apply these limits. So you will get sine 2 times pi by 8 will be pi by 4, right? Minus.
Mm-hmm.
Now when you put pi by 12, this is going to be pi by 6.
Mm-hmm.
Further, you need to simplify this. Take LCM, etc., whatever you want. So add them. What is the LCM of 8 and 12?
Uh, mm, 96.
96.
Is it no 96?
4 times 12, 48, I think.
How do you work out common multiple, lowest common multiple? Oh, 48.
LCM, least common multiple. You take LCM like this, 8 and 12, divide by, if you divide them by 4, so both are divisible, you will get 2 times and 3 times. So the LCM is 4 times 2 times 3.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
So it is 24 actually, not 48, right?
Hmm.
24 divided by 8, 3 pi,
Three and right, and
and
then two.
24
Yeah.
divided by 12 is 2 pi
Mm-hmm.
minus 1 over 2. What is the value of sine pi by 4? Is, I hope you don't remember the values. What is the value of sine pi by 6? It is sine pi by 6
That
is
one.
30 degrees. 30 degrees is 1 over 2.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay. So we will add them. Just add them. So 3 pi minus 2 pi is pi over 24 minus 1 1 over 2 square root 2 plus 1 over 4. Okay. So what is the right hand side? What is the right hand side? What we want to achieve? It is like this pi by 48 times this, right?
Uh, yeah.
Is there any? Yeah, this pi by 48 is coming from the first two terms.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Minus multiply this 2 inside. Minus 1 by 4 square root 2 plus 1 by 8. Now we need to add
Mm-hmm.
them to get the next term. Pi by 48. So just add them. What is the LCM? It
Of
is 8,
42.
8 square root 2.
Uh-huh. Do we not need to rationalize the denominator first?
We will rationalize later on. Let's take the
Okay.
LCM. Let's see what happens. So 8 square root 2 divided by 4 square root 2 will give us 2, negative
Yeah.
2, because this minus sign. And
Mm-hmm.
8 divided by 8 is cancelled. So we will be left with the square root 2 like this. So let's see again what is The square root is in the numerator, right? So you will just multiply by the square root 2. So rationalize with the square root 2 means multiply and divide by square root 2. This is square root 2 minus 2 divided by 8 square root 2. So in order to cancel square root 2 from the denominator, what you will do? You will multiply square root 2 and divide by square root 2.
Mhm.
Pi by 48 plus square root 2 multiplied by square root 2 will be 2. This will
Mhm.
be 2 times square root 2 divided by square root 2 multiplied by square root 2 will be 8 times 2. And 2 is going to cancel from both numerator and denominator. 2 is extra in both numerator and denominator. So we will get 1 minus square root 2 divided by 8. Is it the right hand
Mm.
side or not?
Yeah, yeah, that's exactly
1
right. Yeah.
minus square root 2 divided by 8.
Mhm.
This is very long question. So that's it. Do you have any questions in this?
No, no,
Is
no.
it clear? So you
That's
have to
clear.
keep in mind that whenever there is these type of expressions like sine square, cosine square, or even
Yeah. Hmm.
sine power 4 or cosine power 4, even powers of cosine will be dealt with these formulas, these two formulas,
Hmm.
these two
And you can't.
identities.
Can you
Sorry?
not reverse chain rule that though, or is it not?
No, no.
This is square
Whenever there
sine,
is,
or is
no,
that
no.
different?
Whenever there is higher power, sine power 8x, and you have to integrate, you need to reduce this power. If we have even power here, if we have odd power, then this is another question.
Oh, I see.
Odd power cannot be dealt with these formulas, but these
Mm.
are for even only,
Okay.
right? Mm. Okay. Now let's see these questions. Sine 3x, cosine 3x, dx. What to do?
Is that
A
not just
part.
the same as
No.
sine x?
Mhm. It is like this integral sine x times cosine x. How you
Yeah.
integrate this sine x into cosine x?
Oh,
Do you have any
oh yeah.
formula? Yes.
Isn't it the thing multiplied by the integral? So
No, no. Is there any formula like this? Any trigonometric identity which
no,
gives
there's
you
not. Oh,
sine
wait,
x? There is.
there is, isn't there?
There, there is a trigonometric identity. What is sine 2x?
Yeah, that's. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Sorry, I said that. I was wondering if. Yeah.
Sine 2x is equal to double angle formula of sine. What is that?
Sin x cos x, isn't it?
No.
Or no, it's sin x times sin x, and then it's two sin
Two.
x cos x. You're right.
Yes. This is coming from sine alpha plus beta. Do you know formula of sine alpha plus beta? The sum formula. This is called sum formula. Sine alpha plus beta. Do you know?
Is that cos alpha sine beta plus sine beta times cos alpha?
Yes, it is like that. Sine alpha, but you told both the same terms. This is sine alpha cos beta plus sine beta cos alpha.
Yeah, yeah.
If in this formula, if you put alpha equal to beta equal to x, both equal to x, so what will
Hmm.
be this? What will this formula become? Sine alpha plus alpha will become x plus x. X plus x will be
Yeah.
2x, and every alpha and beta both will be x. So this will be sine x cos x plus sine x cos x. So this will be 2 sine x cos x.
Hmm.
This is the formula. So
Yeah.
if you have to integrate the product of sine and cosine, you need to convert it into single trigonometric function using double angle. What is missing here in this formula? Here is 2
Uh,
is extra.
2, yeah.
2 is extra. So what we will do, we will divide by 2 outside and multiply 2 inside.
Hmm.
So now this has become like double angle formula. 2 sin x cos x. What is in place of x here?
3x.
Here 3x. So this should be equal to sine double of 3x or
Hmm.
not?
Yeah, yeah,
Sine double of
6x.
3x. Exactly. So 1 over 2 sine 6x, right? So what is the
Hmm.
antiderivative of sine 6x?
Uh, minus cos 6x over 6.
Yes, minus cos 6x over 6 plus c. That's it. So this will
Hmm.
become minus cosine 6x divided by 12 plus c. This was required. Any
Hmm.
questions?
No, that's fine.
So I am trying to give you the uh, overview or of the trigonometry together with the integration.
Yeah,
So I am just not telling you the formulas, but telling you everything, trying to develop
yeah.
something. What about this? Head
Mm,
to current page. Let's take it down and solve. How to solve this? Any idea? Sec plus 10 whole square. So we will compute square first. A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square formula. Just open it.
oh, okay. Yeah, sec squared
Sec squared x plus 2
plus
times
10x
sec x 10x plus
tan squared
10
x.
square x. Now you have to ask yourself, can you integrate sec square? Whose derivative is sec square?
10x.
10x. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Ask yourself whose derivative is this? Sec x 10x.
Sec x.
Hmm. Ask yourself whose derivative is 10 square. Whose derivative is 10 squared?
Is that one? Or there isn't one, is there?
Huh?
Is there
There
one?
isn't. No, no,
Yeah.
there isn't. There isn't any function. We just did it. We just did it. Here, here. How to do
What's that?
integration of 10 square? We will do in the same manner. So we need to convert it in sec square.
Mm-hmm.
We can integrate first term, we can integrate second term. We cannot integrate directly the third term, so we will use trigonometric identity. 10 square x is
Mm-hmm.
equal to sec square x minus 1.
Mm-hmm.
Why? Because we know the trigonometric identity is 1 plus 10 square theta is equal to sec square theta. This identity. So we can replace 10 square x by sec square x minus 1. So we have sec square x and sec square x here as well. So this will become 2 sec square x plus 2 sec x 10x minus 1. This one.
Mm-hmm.
Now integrate separately. 2 can be taken outside. Sec square x antiderivative is 10x plus 2
Mm-hmm.
outside. Sec x 10x has antiderivative. You told me sec x
Yeah.
minus the antiderivative of 1 is x.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
All right.
Okay. So now we have exercise 11C after that.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Which one? 1, A, B, C, D, E. Which one?
Out of all the questions in one, uh, did you put some markers around? Let's do I. Oh, have we already done that? Oh wait, no, that's just one though, isn't it? No wait. Let's do one J. No, one I.
One eye.
Yeah, the one that's got the
One eye.
little. Yeah,
Can you solve uh, this one? G.
maybe. Probably,
Let's
probably.
see. Let's see. Let's see.
Hmm.
I want I want to see you solving this question. Let's see. Sin x plus cos x whole squared.
All right. Okay. Where do we start? So, and then this is the same as. Uh, oh, we just went over this.
Yes, yes.
Sine 2x plus 1. And then with that, uh, bam.
Very
Is that
good.
right?
Please erase. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Very good. This was easy, right? This was very
Yeah.
easy. Next, all are easy, I think. You are right. What about F?
Mm.
What about F? It is also easy.
Mm.
Okay, let's see. I, you were saying
Hmm?
We should do I. This one.
Yeah, why does it have a little orange dot? Did you do that?
So I was just looking at the exercise and selecting questions which are a little bit difficult.
Mm.
Uh, Add to due page. Let's see how to solve this. How will you solve this? Sine square into cos square in the denominator. This 1 over sine square x into cosine square x dx.
Mm.
What to do? Should we use double angle formula? Yes.
Oh, is
So
that an option?
what will I do now? I can write it as sine x times cosine x whole squared, right?
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
And further we can write it as
A
1
half
over
times.
a half times sine 2x
Yeah. Mm-hmm,
squared. And
mm-hmm.
further we can write it as 4 integral of, what is the inverse of sine? It is cosec.
Yeah.
Okay, this 2 comes in the numerator after
Mm-hmm,
squaring.
mm-hmm.
Makes sense. So what is the antiderivative of cosec square? Cosec square
Minus cot, negative cot.
minus cot 2x. And
Yeah.
we have to divide by 2
Mm-hmm.
because in the argument we have 2x here. So 2 will be cancelled and the answer is negative 2 cot 2x plus c. Done. Any questions?
No, that's easy enough.
Next.
Um,
We have time. You can ask me to solve any question. It's okay. From question two.
from question two,
Let's solve the
let's
first one.
do. Okay, yeah.
Okay. Okay, you try to solve this. You try to solve this. Let's try to do it. Add to the new page. Okay, try to solve this.
Okay, well, isn't this just the same as? Oh wait, no, there's no squared. Interesting. Okay.
Hmm.
Hmm. Okay, so.
Okay, give me a sec.
Um,
Okay. Okay, do it, do it.
oh. Um.
So 1 minus sine
One.
x will be cancelled.
Can you cancel just everything? And then
No,
what's
just
left? It's
1 over 1 plus sine x. Now,
oh yeah. Wait, minus, shouldn't it? Uh,
think,
and now
think.
what?
Now what?
Think with this. Um.
Any other method? We will be left with 1 divided by 1 plus sine x. 1 plus sine x. Because 1 minus sine x will be cancelled. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Think, think.
Maybe that's the same as.
Should I do it?
What if I make? What if
Should I
I?
do it?
Can I? Can I do this? Is this allowed?
No, 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 no.
If I do that and split it up.
No, no, no. You cannot divide like this. If two terms are in the denominator, then you can divide by each of the terms. Divide each term by the denominator. But if you have two terms in the denominator, you cannot do this. This is wrong. You are violating the basic rules of mathematics. So can you erase it and we will do it again?
Yeah.
Okay, you can just do this. This is simple. Like we have one term in the denominator and two terms in the numerator. So this is, you can write it as this cos square x minus sin x divided by cos square x, like this.
Oh yeah. Of course. Of course.
So 1 over cos square is sec square x minus sin over cos x is 10x into sec x, right?
Yeah.
Because sin over cos is 10 and 1 over cos is sec.
Yeah.
Now, whose derivative is sec square?
10x.
10x. So whose derivative is this? Sec x. So
Oh,
look,
it was
this was
just.
very easy.
I messed it up at step one. Okay, I see. I see. I see.
Next, which one? So
What
this
is
is
that one
similar.
next?
B, this one is also same. Both are same.
Yeah.
Similarly, you can solve. So just sine and cosine x are switched with each other.
Mm.
What about this one? See,
Oh, that
let,
doesn't look fun.
let's solve this. Try this.
Mm. Okay. Well, if we suppose that,
You have to use a trigonometric identity. One trigonometric
yeah,
identity.
so this is the same as 1 plus goes to over 2, right?
Yes.
Okay.
This is correct. But
Okay, so we have,
I don't think this will solve our problem.
oh, will it not?